Moms, listen, I know for some of you, wash day can last for hours, and because of this, you may push back wash day for several days or even weeks. I've been there before, so I get it. You're busy, and rightly so. You don't have the time or energy to tackle your child's hair. But guess what? Wash day doesn't have to last that long. I'm able to pull off wash day in under 1 hour. Yes, under 1 hour. And the great thing is, with this method, breakage and tangles are minimized. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps I use to pull this off. So as you can see, my daughter's hair is dry and it needs some TLC and some hydration. So let's get started. So the first thing I like to do before I start is to section the hair in 4 sections. This just makes everything so much more easier. I then saturate her hair with warm water. The warm water opens up her cuticles and also allows for easier detangling. I'm now going to apply a lot of conditioner to this section of my daughter's hair, and then I'm going to finger detangle. Now with the conditioner, you really want to be generous with the amount of conditioner you use because it's really going to provide extra slip to the hair and make detangling a breeze. While you're finger detangling, this is a great time to take your time to remove any kind of knots or tangles. This is really going to avoid any form of breakage. Okay guys, so notice how I'm able to glide my fingers through my daughter's hair with ease. Now this is the stage I always like to get to when I'm finger detangling. I want to get to the stage where there are no more knots in her hair and I can glide my fingers through her hair easily as I'm doing right now. This is going to prevent any kind of breakage when I finally use a wide tooth comb, and the whole point of this is to avoid any breakage and also to make wash day go as smooth as possible. Now once we use a wide tooth comb, you're going to notice that this process is going to go by so quickly because we've already finger detangled. So now I'm going to add a little bit more of the conditioner, and then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to further detangle the hair. And as you're going to see, it's going to be a very easy process. You always want to start from the ends of your child's hair and work your way up onto the roots. Okay, so now I'm going to twist my daughter's hair. Now a tip for you is to twist loose near the roots. This will make it easier for you to massage the scalp and dislodge any oils or dirt there. And then you want to twist tighter towards the ends. This will also help to prevent the twist from getting undone. Okay, so I finished detangling my daughter's hair. Her hair is all twisted up, and now I'm going to rinse her hair and I'll be back. Okay, so now I have the shampoo. I've diluted the shampoo in a spray bottle. This makes it so much more easier to apply it to her hair, and also you don't waste much product, and the products will last you for much more longer because you've diluted it. So if you notice, her hair is still in a twist while I'm washing her hair, and this is because I don't want her hair to tangle up again and for me to have to do detangling all over again. This is also going to prevent breakage and just help us to get through wash day as quick as possible. Okay guys, so one thing to note is with wash day, I usually wash my daughter's hair in the bath, or she's either sitting on a stool and her head is bent backwards and I'm washing her hair that way. But for the purpose of this video, I'm washing her hair on camera, but I don't usually wash her hair like this. She's in the bath or sitting on a stool while I'm washing her hair. Mums, please don't forget when you're washing your child's hair to use the pads of your fingers and not your nails. This is going to prevent any form of breakage or damage to the scalp, and also massaging the scalp will increase blood flow and encourage growth. Okay, so I'm all done now. I'm going to rinse her hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so her hair is all rinsed. I use a t-shirt to dry her hair. This prevents frizz and it also prevents any form of breakage. So if you have a t-shirt or microfiber towel, those are the best things to use. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the deep conditioner to her hair, and as you still notice, her hair is still in a twist while I apply the deep conditioner to her hair. So I know you're probably wondering, but I get the same results washing her hair in twists and washing her hair out of twists, and applying a deep conditioner to her hair in twists and applying a deep conditioner to her hair out of the twist. I get the exact same results, so doing it this way does not alter the results. Her hair still comes out very hydrated, very moisturized and very soft, and I'm able to apply the deep conditioner to her hair very well even in the twists. One thing to note though, when you are washing the deep conditioner out of your child's hair, just make sure that you rinse the deep conditioner out properly. Remember, the hair is in twists, so you want to make sure that you're rinsing the deep conditioner out properly so there's no deep conditioner left in the hair. But if you take your time to rinse it properly, you should get everything out. Okay guys, so I finished applying the deep conditioner to her hair. I'm now going to put a plastic bag over her head as well as her conditioning cap on, and I'm going to leave this on her head for about 15 minutes. Now, as I said before, I usually wash her hair in the bath or sitting on a stool. If she's in the bath, I will allow her to play with her toys for about 15 minutes before I wash it out. If she's sitting on a stool with her head leaned backwards in the towards a bath, I will allow her to get up and play around for a bit for 15 minutes, and then I'll wash it out. Okay guys, so I've rinsed her hair out and look how shiny and amazing her hair looks compared to what it looked like before when it was dry. It looks so much better. So guys, that's it. That's our wash day in less than an hour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share with anyone you feel may benefit from watching. I will see you next week Tuesday. Take care. Bye.